Introducing Panasonic's new energy-saving refrigerators. Utilizing cutting-edge sensor technologies, Econavi automatically optimizes performance. Using advanced sensor and microprocessor control technologies, such as a light sensor, door sensor, internal and external temperature sensors, Econavi is able to adjust power use to suit your lifestyle, resulting in effortless energy saving. A refrigerator requires energy around the clock. Conventional models provide constant cooling, even when they're not in use. Econavi automatically reduces this waste. With Econavi's Night Eco, a lighting sensor watches your kitchen all the time. When the environment around the refrigerator becomes dark at night, the refrigerator assumes it won't be used and reduces the cooling power. It automatically prevents excessive cooling during the night. Another function of Econavi is Smart Eco. Econavi detects your usage patterns over a period of 3 weeks and memorizes your usage by day of the week. Econavi will learn the time of the day when you most and least often use your refrigerator. By analysing your usage patterns, it will know when you need your refrigerator today and automatically adjust its cooling power. And while you are out, Econavi will automatically save energy. Night Eco and Smart Eco work together to save you energy effortlessly 24 hours a day. Additionally, Panasonic's refrigerators feature best-in-class Energy Star ratings. By utilizing Panasonic's inverter technology, they use significantly less power than conventional models. Fixed-speed conventional models can provide only one level of output power. But Panasonic's inverter refrigerators can utilize 7 levels of power control, optimizing performance and energy consumption. And of course, inverter runs very quietly. Panasonic's Econavi refrigerator incorporate various technologies that help keep food fresh. Drying out can be a downside of refrigerating vegetables and fruits. Panasonic's moisture vegetable case with indirect cooling protects vegetables and fruits from directly blown chilled air, so they won't dry out. A lock-type handle and gaskets provide a unique seal. By maintaining the optimal temperature and humidity, the refrigerator keeps vegetables and fruit in their best condition. The difference is clear when comparing vegetables that have been stored for 1 week. Panasonic's unique Vitamin Safe increases the vitamin content of vegetables and fruits by illuminating them with blue and green LEDs. The unique chilled case keeps food at 0 degrees without freezing it, ideal for storing meats and dairy products. Panasonic's refrigerators are easy to care for because all cases are removable and washable. The freezer is positioned at the bottom, and because it is a drawer, it is easy to open and access. Removing food is very easy because the drawer fully opens, and the large compartment holds plenty of frozen food. The interior is transparent and spacious, so it's easy to see everything that is stored inside. Wide front LED lighting ensures that every corner of the interior is brightly lit. There are no shadows, so labels are easy to read. And tempered glass shelves safely support heavy objects. Panasonic's Econavi, the refrigerator that understands you.